Welcome back to the channel Global. What if I tell you that one Chinese province alone now rivals the economy of the entire Russia, the largest country on earth by landmass? And here's the shocker. It's not Shanghai, it's not Beijing, but it's a province most foreigners have never heard of. And its GDP just hit a staggering 14.58 trillion RMB, over 2.05 trillion US dollars in 2025. Today, we're counting down the top 10 richest provinces in China, the real engines behind the world's second largest economy. Some of these rankings will genuinely surprise you. Let's get started. Number 10, Anhui, squeezing into the top 10 with a GDP of 5.3 trillion RMB, putting it on par with Argentina. Anhui is no longer just a labor exporting province. It's a dark horse sprinting ahead at a 5.5% growth rate, well above the national average. The secret? A laser focus on new energy vehicles and next-generation displays. Hefei, its capital, is now dubbed the most venturesome city, betting big and winning on companies like NIO, which was on the brink of collapse. Anhui also houses BOE's cutting-edge display lines, producing screens for your phones and TVs. With the booming cluster of quantum communication and AI, Anhui has quietly moved from being the cheap backyard of the Yangtze River Delta to the absolute epicenter of deep tech. And the catch? It needs to lift more rural areas to ensure this isn't just a capital Hefei story. It needs to lift more rural areas to ensure this isn't just a capital Hefei story. Number 9, Hunan. Hunan's GDP hit 5.5 trillion RMB, now on par with Sweden, and is built on shoulders of steel. This province is the undisputed heavyweight champion of construction machinery. Every time you see a skyscraper rising anywhere in the world, there's a good chance the machinery comes from Hunan, home to Sanya Heavy Industry and Zunling, which is a global capital of concrete pumps and cranes. But the story is shifting. Changsha, a vibrant culture hub, is also injecting a new soft power into the economy, with its digital media and entertainment industry exploding. Hunan TV is a content empire, combining hardcore manufacturing with a booming culture output. Hunan is crafting a balanced and resilient economic model. Number 8, Fujian. Fujian is a special one. Its GDP exceeded 6 trillion RMB for the first time, reaching 6.02 trillion, now rivaling the economy of Ireland. Nestled on the coast with a history of trade, Fujian's DNA is deeply entrepreneurial. It's the birthplace of CATL, the world's absolute king of EV batteries, and footwear giants like Anta, which has reshaped the global sportswear landscape. And you're likely wearing shoes conceptualized or manufactured here. Despite its mountainous terrain, its digital economy is punching above its weight. From the legendary tea mountains of Wuyi to the hyperfactories of CATL in Ningde, Fujian proves that a province doesn't need state-owned giants to strive. It just needs fearless entrepreneurs. Number 7, Hubei. Hubei's economic output hits 6.27 trillion RMB, now eclipsing that of Belgium, showcasing an extraordinary post-pandemic resilience. Sitting at the crossroads of China, it's the ultimate logistics hub. But it's much more than just a highway. Optical Valley in Wuhan has become a national tech sanctuary. Hubei is home to Yangtze Memory Technologies Corp., China's hope for semiconductor memory breaking global monopolies. This province is a comprehensive powerhouse, combining this high-tech breakthrough with traditional strengths in automotive and steel. As the linchpin of the Yangtze River economic belt, Hubei's 5.5% growth is a clear signal that the central regions are rising to balance the coastal dominance. Number 6, Henan. Henan, with a GDP of 6.66 trillion RMB, now surpassing Poland's entire economy, is often stereotyped as fields of wheat, but this ancient heartland is undergoing a profound makeover. Yes, it feeds tens of millions, but it's also the world's largest iPhone assembly base. Foxconn's colossal Zhengzhou plant has turned the province into the iPhone city. And it's not stopping at assembly. Henan is aggressively moving upstream into intelligent terminals and new energy vehicle manufacturing. BYD has placed one of its largest production bases here, with the fastest growth rate among major economic provinces at 5.6%. Henan's nearly 100 million population is the ultimate story of an agricultural civilization successfully pivoting to a modern manufacturing powerhouse. Number 5, Sichuan. Sichuan is the uncontested king of Western China, with a GDP of 6.77 trillion RMB closing in on Switzerland. Don't be fooled by the laid-back tea house image in Chengdu. This is a dual-core economic titan. Its electronics and aerospace sectors are absolutely world-class. More than half of the world's iPads are assembled here, and its aerospace manufacturing is soaring, producing fighter jets and components for global aircrafts. What's more, Chengdu's emergence as a fashion and consumption capital is also creating a massive domestic market. As a strategic base for China's Western development strategy, Sichuan is essentially a nation-sized economy growing at 5.5%, perfectly blending the legacy of heavy industry with a vibrant consumer culture. Number 4. Zhejiang. Zhejiang's GDP reached 9.45 trillion RMB, now rivaling the economy of Netherlands. This isn't just about Alibaba's magic in Hangzhou, it's the model for common prosperity. The wealth here is more evenly distributed than anywhere else. Yiwu's small commodity market is a global barometer for trade. Ningbo Zhoushan Port is the world's busiest by cargo tonnage. The province is a dense network of block economies, where towns specializes in the single industry. Think socks, buttons, or low-voltage electronics. They dominate the global supply chain. This fusion of a world-leading digital economy and the resilient, down-to-earth manufacturing base of SMEs make Zhejiang a unique blueprint for a rich and relatively equal society. Number 3. Shandong. Shandong made history in 2025 with its GDP exceeding 10 trillion RMB for the first time, reaching 10.32 trillion, equivalent to the economy of Turkey. If Zhejiang is a nimble tech startup, Shandong is a fleet of aircraft carriers. It's the only province in China with a complete set of all 41 major industrial categories. From chemicals to home appliances, Haier and Hisense are global players. It's also the vegetable basket of China, feeding the entire north. But this giant is now undergoing a tough but crucial energy transition, shifting from coal to renewables and nuclear. Shandong's 5.5% growth represents a slow turning of a giant ship, but the destination is a new kind of green, high-end industrial supremacy. Number 2. Jiangsu. Jiangsu's economy has done it. It just overtaken South Korea's total GDP, hitting a monumental 14.24 trillion RMB, crossing the 14 trillion mark. The secret to Jiangsu's power is its perfect, almost uncanny balance. It's not about one city. It's about 13 prefectures, all among the top 100 cities in China. It's the largest biopharma province, a semiconductor giant, and a shipping giant. No province better embodies the shift from low-cost, made in China, to high-value, smartly made in China. With a growth rate of 5.3%, Jiangsu isn't just a wealthy province. It's the golden standard for equitable development among giants. Number 1. Guangdong. And at number 1, for 37th consecutive years, it's Guangdong. With a GDP of 14.58 trillion RMB, over 2.05 trillion US dollars, it's now rivals the entire Russian Federation. If Guangdong were a country, it would be a top 10 global economy. This is the world's factory floor, seamlessly merging the Pearl River Delta's industrial might with Shenzhen's innovation engine. You get the production of Dongguan, the finance of Shenzhen, and the trading hub of Guangzhou in one unstoppable ecosystem. It's home to Huawei's R&D temples and the world's largest drone factories. Guangdong produces a staggering percentage of the world's toys, textiles, and smartphones. Its biggest challenge is narrowing the wealth gap between the coast and the hinterlands. This is the final frontier to becoming a fully developed world-leading economy. Now, these 10 provinces are just administrative regions, but are 10 distinct economic powerhouses, each forging wealth in its own unique way. From Anhui's venture capital boldness to Guangdong's all-encompassing manufacturing ecosystem. They are the engine rooms of global business. And they also prove that there is no single formula for success. It's a blend of innovation, strategic positioning, and industrial grit. If you travel across these provinces in China, you're literally witnessing the narrative of the 21st century. And that's our deep dive for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss a video. See you in our next video.